Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Antonia. Harley's not with me. We just came back from his walk and he's chilling in the living room. If you don't know who Harley is, he's my little baby, my English lab, and he's usually in my videos, hence the name Hello Harley. But today, he's not in the video today because he doesn't want to be in the video. So I finally got my community care package from Aritzia. No, I am not a frontline worker, but I did purchase a package to help support. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. First of all, it came in the regular cardboard box from Aritzia. Okay, and then it came in the regular, oh my god, I'm shedding hair everywhere right now. Regular Aritzia bag. But the difference was the sticker was really cute. It has that Aritzia care package logo sticker. This has been their like care logo for a while. And then it just says that gibberish on there. Typically the bags look like this. So this is a regular bag and the sticker looks like that. So, oh, unrelated to this video, but if you follow me on Instagram at _Hello Harley, or you just follow my channel in general, you've been hearing me complain about me not feeling the best, which, yeah, it's true, I haven't been feeling the best. Basically, my right ear keeps clogging and then I have dizziness and tinnitus and I'm basically bedridden. So I finally got a hold of my ENT and he was like, girl, you sure you don't have COVID? And I was like, maybe. So I had to go get COVID testing and bro, that was not fun. You know what they do? They take this like long Q-tip and then they make you tilt your head back, you look up to the sky, they shove it in your nose and they wiggle it around for 5 to 10 seconds and then they take it out and you're done. But honestly, I'd rather get like a pap smear than have that done again, because like that is not a place where you should be shoving a Q-tip up anywhere. God, it was not pleasant. So thankfully, I don't know if it's thankfully or not thankfully, because my ENT said if it comes back positive then you will never have these ear issues again, so you're good to go, because then you would have surpassed all that COVID issue, because it's been more than a month since that has happened. Like my ear has been feeling a lot better now, but now he said if it's not COVID then I might have chronic ear issues. So in 3 weeks I'm gonna go get a hearing test and see him at his clinic, because his clinic isn't open yet since everything has shut down. So anyways, let's get back into the package. If you didn't know, Aritzia had basically this care package. Oh, also it came with this. Sorry, this is all jumbled everywhere. It came with this card. It's the gold foil that says thank you with Aritzia Care Community logo. And then it says, thank you from the bottom of our Aritzia hearts for your generosity and care. Because of your support, we're proud to donate Aritzia community relief packages to frontline COVID-19 healthcare workers. Your support means the world to our community. So it says that on this little note here, which is pretty cute. And then essentially, if you don't know what it was, basically maybe at the beginning of May, Aritzia came out with these care packages. There were 2 that anyone could buy. One was $100, one was $200. The $100 ones came with 2 tour t-shirts and 2 pairs of Orant leggings, which are like cotton leggings. Those are more for like lounging around your house. They're not really that functional. And then the $200 package came with 2 tour t-shirts and then 2 Vitessia leggings, which is more of like a functional sweat wicking material legging. I don't know if I have to talk so much about these items. I've talked about tour t-shirts and like Vitessia bike shorts in general, but I do enjoy wearing the Atmosphere leggings as well. They're just not as good as Lululemon. Like, let's be real, okay? It's just not as good as Lululemon. But I bought it because I have so many friends in healthcare. Shout out to Jan, Trishy, my adopted sissy, Caitlin, who I'm so proud of her. She just passed her NCLEX, so congratulations to you, Caitlin. When this is all over and it's safe to do so, we will have our soiree to commemorate and celebrate you, Caitlin. And then also some of you guys who watch me are in the front lines. So thank you guys for keeping us safe and making sure we're just safe. That's all I have to say. Thank you. Anyways, here's the package. It is a try on, so I'm going to show you guys what they look like on. Anyways, it came with one small white t-shirt, the tour t-shirt. None of these items have like TNA branding on it, nor do they have tags attached. So these were final sale products. This just has this little like gold Aritzia logo on it. If you bought the package, whatever size you bought, both the top and the bottom came in that size. So I didn't feel like I needed that many pairs of Aritzia TNA atmosphere leggings, although you can probably never have enough. But I just have like literally so many leggings that I decided I would size down to a small, because my little sissy Vicky is way more petite than me and she's typically a small. I wouldn't have done that if I didn't try on her leggings. I tried her small pair of leggings on because she's typically a small, and they fit me. So they are way more snug and stretch out way more than my medium, and I'll show you guys the difference between like the medium pair and the small pair. But essentially, if you really had to, you could go down a size. Typically wear a size 8 or like a 29 jean, or if you wear Lululemon, I wear a size 6 in the like any leggings they have. But that's my I don't know, that's just the size I wear. So you can fit in the small, but you can just like, it just ends up being stretched out a little bit more. Anyways, so the tour t-shirt, really cute there. Then it came with a black one with a gold foiling as well. That's super cute as well. So yeah, none of this stuff says like TNA on it. It just says Aritzia Care Program, I think. Yeah, it says Aritzia, thank you, from the bottom of our Aritzia heart, made in Vietnam. So there's no sizing detail on this. I think it's on the side here. Yeah. Okay, so there's like a tag on the side that says small with the care instructions on it. Is a pair of the leggings, which has the same kind of logo there, and then once again has this kind of logo here, which is the care instructions. And then the back has the Aritzia Care logo, which, to be honest, I'm not digging it on these leggings because it kind of looks fan ban. And if you're Cantonese, you'll know what it means. But if you're not Cantonese, it's fine. Let's do a word of the day in Cantonese. Fan ban. Say it with me. Fan ban. It essentially means like bootlegged or fake. So yeah, it just looks kind of meh. And it just came with 2 pairs, so like realistically it doesn't really matter, because like who looking there anyways? Who looking at your tramp stamp anyways? Okay, y'all, I just dug these out of my dirty laundry. Wow, they are really dirty. What is going on? These are the TNA leggings that I purchased. Like, TNA leggings have this kind of logo. Wow, they're really dirty and wrinkles. Sorry guys. And this is the medium. I just want to show you guys for size reference. If you do and you are my size, just go with the medium. I only went with a small so I could give 1 pair to my sister, because there is about like an inch. Jesus, now they don't even look like they fit me. Anyways, there's about an inch of fabric there or so. So if you are my size, if you're like a size 8, just go with the medium. The small will fit you, but worst comes to worst, if you had to buy a size small, you could buy a size small. But like, my only concern is this logo will probably get so stretched out in the future that it's gonna look warped. So maybe that will come to my advantage and just come off, because I don't know, I just don't like that. I just don't like it. Anyways, let's go into the try on. I will try the medium on for you guys just so you guys can see the difference. But because they are black leggings, they probably won't look that different. But you can just use your eyes and see. Just trust me, if you are my size, just get the medium. But yeah, I wanted to be nice and get my sister a pair too, even though she's only getting the leggings because she's not getting the t-shirts. Sorry Vicky, you pay for it. I got it. Also, if you guys are interested in what I'm wearing today, just as a little bonus, I'm wearing this oversized t-shirt from The Way Out. It's my friend's band. So yeah, I have this t-shirt on because I love wearing this. Like, this is my favorite outfit to wear all the time. This kind of t-shirt, like a baggy t-shirt. I'm getting a wedgie. Okay. So these are the Atmosphere shorts, the bike shorts in the 7-inch, ice gray, medium, Vitessia. Yes, this is my favorite thing to wear. And then a pair of slides. Like, I usually just wear like a pair of slides and then I'm set. I'm good to go. I'm on my way. All right, let's go to the try on. Okay, so here's the small on. These are small. See, they look fine. There's like nothing wrong with them, but I can tell that they are, like, I can tell I stretched into them. And here's the t-shirt. This is the small. I have this t-shirt in like an extra small and an extra small, so you really just cannot go wrong with the t-shirts, but super cute. And just to show you guys what the medium looks like, these are my like regular TNA pair, hence the logo is TNA on the back. But this is just the medium pair, so the small was obviously the other ones. And then here's the t-shirt. Here's the t-shirt. It's super cute, right? Sorry, I'm like hunching down because the camera is just low. Super cute, right? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I know it was a little bit boring, but I hope you still enjoyed. I just wanted to show you guys those items because they were technically like special because they have that like little logo on it, and I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, comment down below what videos you guys want to see because I'm out of ideas. Completely out of ideas.